To build anything that truly lasts, it takes time.
The big buzzer that you just mentioned while you were talking. Eternal today, very good moves coming in on Eternal, that's erstwhile Zomato. Good set of numbers coming in. Structurally, internally, the company has done well in terms of Blinkit, and you have brokerages that have hiked target prices across the board while they continue to maintain a bullish stance on the stock. The stock had reached a new all-time high in the trading session today at open, slightly lower from that point as we speak, and a 3 lakh crore market cap is what we have seen crossing on Zomato. So good moves coming in for Eternal across the board. That stock is gaining up and away in today's trading session. Let's talk about some other stocks in focus. But before we do that, while we are talking about Eternal, let's go across and revisit the conversation we had earlier in the day with Karan Taurani, who tracks the stock very closely because he has revised the target price for Eternal as well, hiked the target price while keeping the buy stance maintained. Let's go across and understand his rationale behind the same.
So our price target has been revised upwards from 300 rupees to 340. Primarily, the reason for this is two. One is, of course, the better growth in the food delivery business, which will lead to better valuations for the food business on an overall basis. Second reason is a mild better growth in the QC business because of better store addition and because of the non-metro market picking up. Third is, of course, the profitability in the QC business. So we see profitability in the QC business coming back on track. And basis that, there's a re-rating in terms of valuation multiple of the QC business. So if you look at the QC business, until about 6 to 8 months back when we saw this entire threat of new entrants, and Flipkart coming to the fore, JioMart getting aggressive, the quick commerce business actually went through a lot of de-rating in terms of valuation multiples. Zepto went into a price war. So I think all these things are now starting to cool off. The worst is behind us as far as competition is concerned. The worst is also behind us in terms of price war from Zepto. So basis that, I think QC business will see a re-rating in terms of valuation multiple, which will also drive share price performance. So basis all these parameters, we have graded our target price to 340 for Eternal.
All right, thank you so much, Karan. So that's the take coming in on Eternal from Karan Taurani itself.